Hello guys, this is Brian McLean with MarineMax and Stuart. We're going to take you through a brokerage listing. This is a 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard version. Very nice boat. We have about 35 engine hours on the engine. Engine was just had its annual servicing. Pretty unique color combination. So we have the white hull sides, white interior with the dune flooring. This boat's been kept indoors inside a dry rack storage facility since day one. So no bottom paint, not a scratch on her, and she's in great shape. Starting here on the back, we have the nice aft sun lounge. You do have coverage from the sun. We have the extended sunshade. This is manual and pushes in and out. We also have the upgraded power tower, so tap of a button over here on the starboard side. This entire tower goes up and down at one level rate. So for going under a bridge, staying protected from a rainstorm, or it can be used for another number of different applications. Here in the cockpit, we have a nice spacious social zone. So L-shaped seating here on the port side. We have the table that's going to drop right there into the insert. As you can see here, all the upholstery is great condition. We have the beautiful diamond stitching with the hardback helm seats on both port and starboard side. Both seats here will turn to face the passengers here in the back. We have storage under the starboard side. Great spot to put a cooler. Lots of storage inside the center hatch. And then a great navigation area. So we have twin Simrad displays with digital switching, Mercury vessel view, Fusion audio. You have Boca Tech switching over on the starboard side, Mercury digital throttle and shift. And guys, your engine is running right now, as you can see. Extremely quiet. You can barely hear it. We're powered with a single 300 Mercury V8. We have the stainless steel wraparound windshield leading you up to the spacious bow seating. We have armrest on both sides. Windlass anchor up in the front, freshwater washdown. Very ample storage on this boat. Again, this is a 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX, listed for sale at $159,000. Again, this boat has about 35 engine hours. Annual servicing has already been complete. Please give me a call at MarineMax. My name is Brian McLean. You can reach me directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.